Stalo da te čuvam.
Hey, hi Serbians, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to hear and to listen new variation of artists. So can you all please accept me here as one of your friends or your fellow mates, because I'm here to react to a guy who I saw, representing Serbia and it's musically, right? So I'm here to react to a song called Malia by Prince, I think. Yeah, Prince, right? Eurovision 2025. So with everyone here, let's all go together. Let's have an experience of what this guy can do. Peace.
Neka bude mi to zadnja večera, nek oko kerbera.
Yeah, his voice so good. His voice so good. I love the display. I love the entry. This is reminding me of DreamWorks pictures whenever I have a movie that is representing kids or it's a kids movie. DreamWorks is a perfect film shooter to do such, and it's perfect. It's looking good. So what is this video imposing? I'm loving it. The graphics look good as well, man. The entire video looks great. Moon, everything.
Noć me potera.
Very great voice though, I ain't gonna lie. Very great voice. I think this guy have a chance to, to showcase what he can do in this competition.
Nek te probudi taj miris sećanja I moja muzika od tvog.
So I guess this is his only display throughout the entire video, where he's just sitting on a crescent moon singing. This is unique. This is singular. This is different. Something that is unique literally inspired my attention to go crazy. Damn. I love this so far, bro. Prince, let's see what's up, my G.
Mila, ti si platila što volim.
Extraordinary voice. Very great relaxation voice.
Mila, život vratila sa ruba. Ima mnogo razloga da ipak voliš drugoga. Tako mi je stalo da te čuvam.
You go, Serbia. You go to show the world that, hey, look, we can do this. Because this is very freaking good. Superb song. Superb voice. Great person to display this song. Like, bro, come on. Look at this. Perfect.
Ovaj život je bez zrna šećera, od kada ne jedam.
The softness, the tenderness, I guess this song can literally makes you, have a good time with your family or have a friend, something that literally can keep you calm throughout your day, bro. This song is a perfect song for it, bro. It is slow, and we do like slow tempo song, but songs that is also fast, we are also a part of it. So music is literally doing what it's supposed to, and this guy is making sure that the music delivers, right? So very good, bro.
Vera, ne vera, nek te poljubi, ko bolje slažete.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. This is what I want to hear, right? Music that stands out differently from the rest. Music that is literally, it is just a king. in its own way, shape, and form.
A negde dobije ko rizikuje sve. Mila
Yo, I love this soft music so much. The low level piano playing, the guitar playing, the music with such gentle sounds. It's giving me the relaxing mood.
ti si platila što volim te ja. Mila, život vratila sam.
Oh my gosh, bro. Sing along, my G. Sing along. Lovely tone of voice. Lovely voice that literally can make you feel alive today.
Ima mnogo razloga da ipak voliš drugog, kao tako mi je stalo da te čuvam.
Yes. Yes. Who to tell me that this guy isn't gonna reach far in music and where he started? No. No one, bro. This guy is literally a mastermind at what he does. And he's literally dominating now. Holy fuck, bro. Oh my god, the sound of that piano is so good. The guitar sound is so good. Perfectionate. Okay, so he's representing someone I could see, a little shadow of something like a heartwork or something. So let us see how he displays himself here. Wow, that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Ah! Yo, the woman is spinning like she's a gig. Like, bro, bro, this is supposed to take a lot of time and practice and energy to bring forth here. Man, this guy, bro. I'm so happy that I've met him. I'm so happy that I'm listening to him. Music, bro. This is music. I ain't gonna lie. This is music, bro. Music. I saw a comment. The comment says, this is boring. Bro, if you don't understand music, it doesn't make a sense that you try to comprehend it. It's gonna be boring to you because it's not your liking. It's gonna be the best music to some because that's their liking. So you don't go ahead and call other people's music boring. Be sure that you check yourself first before you make a commentary on something that you can't do. Believe on it, man. The ending, bro, looks so darn amazing. This guy killed it. He nailed it. Prince, you've done well, my bro. Keep up the extraordinary work. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe for more Prince reaction because we all know he's gonna be here back again. So subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So